Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous arrow grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you had the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-segment spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Whilst to the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you had the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. And if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the SONOS sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aids for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Whilst below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 12-volt charging point, 2 handy cup holders, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.